Hey yo, it's the one, the only. Welcome back to another episode of Generational Investors. I'm your favorite coach, Coach Flo, and just want to appreciate those who stopping by the channel for the first time. You stopping by the channel for the first time, hit that thumbs up, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and just continue to share the channel. Share the channel with your friends, your family, co-workers, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, IG, X, Twitter, and just wanted to talk with you today on crypto. And you already know how I feel about crypto. All right, I feel about crypto. Crypto is only going to put us in a new space, a new tax bracket, if you do your due diligence. Remember, you're a financial advisor for you to buy, hold, or sell, but we just want to educate, inform, enlighten, motivate, and inspire. All right, Bitcoin. What can you say about Bitcoin? Hey, Bitcoin at the time of this recording is sitting at 62,000. Last week, it shot up to an all-time high at the time, 73K. All right, 73K. And so it's doing a healthy pullback. That's what I call just buying little bite size. All right. When you're looking at crypto, it has cycles, and we are in a critical cycle. It's nothing to be afraid about. It's nothing to be alarmed about. Bitcoin is doing what it always has done. It goes up, it goes down. All you gotta do is think long term when you're investing into crypto, and that's where the money is being made at. All right, long term stocks, long term real estate. All right, with the research I've been doing on Bitcoin, I'm not going to talk about where I see the predictions, but for prediction purposes, analysts, this is Standard Chartered. All right, this is one of those banking forecasts. They said by the end of this year, they are looking for Bitcoin to hit 150K. All right, 150K is yet to be seen. We have to wait and see. But I see it getting there, possibly depending on with the upcoming with the upcoming Bitcoin halving, which is about another month away. These prices can come reality depending on what happens with the Bitcoin halving. I can see a run up, and I can also see a sell off as well. Just gotta wait and see. But definitely Bitcoin is something that I just continue to dollar cost average into 10, 20, 50, 100, just buying pieces and pieces, because Bitcoin is a storage of value, and definitely Bitcoin is only going to rise up because of demand. All right, they seeing next year, going into next year, they seeing it's going high as 250,000. I see from the incoming bull run that should happen later on this year, it's a possible that it can run into 250K next year. So just in that range from 150 to 250, definitely. Some people have this thing going to almost 1 million, but either way, definitely I'm long term in Bitcoin and not looking to trade. Just continue, just buy little by little, and that's where the wealth comes into play. We're building up wealth, right? Building up wealth. Moving on to the next one, you already know. Of course, Ethereum at the time of recording is sitting at 3165. All right. This one right here is hit its all-time last week, about 4 to 4,100, and still waiting for the approval, on a possible approval on Ethereum ETF, which is slanted to be in May 23rd, somewhere around that time. And analysts are saying by the end of the year, if everything goes well with the Ethereum ETF, this one can shoot up to 8,000. So I definitely see room for Ethereum to shoot up, especially past the Bitcoin halving, and then we get into the bull. All those factors going to play in the role with with Ethereum shooting 8,000, 10,000, and some say 14,000. I see there's massive upside. All right, upside with Ethereum because of if the ETF get passed, and of course they consider this one as also a security. Okay, it's security, and then it's also with comes demand a lot of millions and billions of inflow capital will flow into Ethereum ETF when it gets approved. So whether it gets approved in May or it gets delayed and pushed back, whenever it gets approved, I do see this one going past 8,000, 10,000, 14, between 10 to 14,000. And this one right here, that's why I continue to hold. This is a long-term game for me. This one is not a trade. I'm not looking to sell Ethereum, not anytime soon. We're gonna ride this thing up. All right, we're gonna ride it up to the wet moon. Okay, we're gonna ride it a long way. All right, so Ethereum has a lot of upside. And then one that's been getting pumped lately, but right now all crypto, as the time's recording, is doing a healthy pullback. So Solana is sitting at $170. A few days ago, it did run up to about 210, and now analysts are saying by the end of this year could shoot to 600. So factor in the Bitcoin halving and entering the upcoming bull run, this one can go 600. I see this one going past 600, but we have to wait and see. And definitely this one right here is a trade. I don't look to hold this too long, looking to see where it goes, run up, sell. If I need to rinse and repeat, I'll rinse, repeat and get back in. But definitely Solana is a trade for me. And other things that Solana will also be able to do is the transaction fees. Ethereum has high gas fees. And for those who kind of, what is gas fees? These are different types of fees that you have to pay to receive your Ethereum. So you cashing out of a payout is like taxes basically. So these fees you have to pay, and Ethereum has high gas fees. Solana's looking to be like the Ethereum killer. Okay, the alternate, which is going the cheaper route, and so that's going to play a role. DeFi, with the DeFi space, that's going to play a role in Solana. Solana has definitely massive potential to run up. And one thing you want to keep on your watch list is this is a stock, but this is tied to Bitcoin. This is called MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is sitting, it did at the time of recording was at 1417, but after hours is sitting at 1387. So MicroStrategy is one of the largest Bitcoin holding stocks, and I am fractional sharing to MicroStrategy. I like MicroStrategy, and I'm just looking to build up my position and see how high I can go. This one right here, MicroStrategy, definitely want to keep on your watch list, because when Bitcoin goes up, and when it does go up, MicroStrategy is going to go up. As I've seen MicroStrategy so far, it hit 1,700. So we are a few $100s off, because right now, like I said, the market, stocks and crypto, are doing a healthy pullback. They waiting on some data coming from the government, OC, I should say, FOC, with these hike cuts. All right, they're looking to try to control inflation. So that's a whole nother catalyst that can either help or hurt the market. And so, of course, you already know stocks and crypto correlated. Okay, so with rate hikes, that can push the stocks along with MicroStrategy, because it's a stock, you can push that up. So watch out for MicroStrategy and the meme coins. All right, for one to talk about the meme coins. The meme coins, I got a little bit of Boink, Shiba, Pepe. Okay, two things I want to encourage everyone about these meme coins. These are not long-term holds. Do not long-term hold a meme coin. You will get burned. You will lose your money. What you want to do is slowly add increments into these meme coins. Be careful. Do your due diligence, because you can get burned. You can lose a lot of money depending on how much money you put in these meme coins, thinking that they're going to run up all the way. Get what you can get. Take the profit. Rinse and repeat. Okay, so that's definitely, I want to encourage those who got just meme coins. Okay, be careful. They are a risky asset. crypto itself is risky. That's why you have to do your due diligence and your homework. There are scammers out here, and there are all types of bankruptcy with these crypto companies. They doing bankruptcy, and you got these scandals. So do your due diligence, do your homework. If you do your proper homework on these projects, these coins, you will be successful. I want you to be successful. So like I said, continue to educate yourself. This is all about educating yourself, because crypto is still new. Okay, this is still new. I believe it is definitely the future, but also this is new. And so they're trying their best. If you not prepared, you will lose money. Okay, especially in crypto, because it has swings. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, and it can go down a lot in one day, in a few hours, and it can go up in one day, in a few hours. We're talking $200, $300, $400. Okay, so depending on how much money you put into these cryptos, hey, the payout can be rewarding, or like I said, you can go broke easily. So if you're new to the channel, consider hitting the thumbs up button, hitting the like, hitting the subscribe. Continue to share the channel, because there's more in store, and I'm going to just continue to inform you guys and educate you guys, uplift, inspire, and continue to pray for everybody, because time is this. We need positivity. We continue to stay prayed up, stay vigilant all around us, and I'll see you in the next one.